In this project, you'll use the serial monitor that's built into the Let's Start Coding code editor and a light sensor to read the values from the light sensor and then print them on the serial monitor. Within the void setup function, use a pin mode function to set port A2 as an input. This is where the light sensor is plugged into the smaller block of ports at the bottom of MakerBoard. Make sure the plus and minus signs on the light sensor's board are matched up with the plus and minus signs on MakerBoard's ports. Next, use the serial.begin function with an argument of 9600 to set up the serial monitor to communicate with MakerBoard. The void loop is a single function, serial.println or println. The serial.println function simply takes whatever is between its parentheses and shows that on a new line in the serial monitor. Here, we're using an analog read function for port A2 as that value that's going to be shown. The analog read function has one argument: which port are we checking the reading from? In this case, we want to get the light reading, and so analog read A2 is going to grab the light reading from the light sensor, which can range from 0 to 1023, and then the serial println function is going to show that on the serial monitor. We can upload this code to our MakerBoard and then press the monitor button, which will open a new window right below the code editor. So we can scroll down and start to see these light values streaming in. This is the value that the light sensor is seeing in the room that I'm in. If I move my hand closer, you can see that the number drops almost to 0 as I cast a really strong shadow over the sensor. And as I remove my hand, it goes back to the default setting in the room. And if I turn on a flashlight and put that near the light sensor, I can make the value go almost to its maximum of 1023. This is a really cool way to use the environment to send data into your programs and change how they work.